Decided to cook outdoors tonight. Got some corn on the cob on the left, and we got a little naan bread there, and then we've got fish, and then some vegetables in the back. Should be good. And then after the fire cools down, we'll do some more sun-dried tomatoes. Leave them in the oven all night. Okay. I'm gonna show you where we're at right now. The fish is done, the cod, with pesto, fresh pesto. Absolutely delicious. You can see that we've already been snacking on that. And we've been snacking on that with pesto that's gone. Naan bread that we're baking. There's some naan bread that's going in next. And then you can see there's 3 naans in there. And you can also see we've got some corn on the cob there. Some of it got a little toasted over there, but it's still good. And then the vegetables back there, and the potatoes, the purple potatoes back there. I'll show you it all when it's done. Feast. We've got cod with fresh pesto, and we've got our naan-style bread. We've got the corn that is absolutely, looks wonderful. We've got the roasted, everything from the garden, zucchini and onions and the orange peppers. And then check these guys out, not from our garden, but purple potatoes. It's gonna be great. And then we've got the naan in there, the rest of the naan. Look at how beautiful. And the pesto warming up. Can't get better than this.
Luísa, olha só, o fio grelhou, olha aqui, olha. Que lindo. E o milho pronto. Delicioso.